Hello everyone, welcome to another DailyJim. This is the episode for Wednesday, February 27th, 2024. I am doing this slightly after hours. Today I want to talk about the unpredictability of the weather. Yeah, and we'll see where it goes from there. Maybe the title will change. Yesterday, Tuesday, it was 72 degrees in Michigan, Fahrenheit. It was the hottest temperature on record for Michigan in February, or at least for this area in February, of all time recorded history, I believe. And tonight, it is 22 degrees Fahrenheit outside. So it dropped 50 degrees in one day, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. For my non-American friends, I looked it up. It went from about 22 Celsius yesterday to about -6 Celsius right now. So quite the swing. And actually, when we came out from dinner, there were a few snowflakes today. And I think we don't, I guess we recognize that the climate is changing, but I don't know if we always see it as a bad thing. And that's something that kind of worries me, because yesterday was beautiful, but it was weird. It's so warm in February. It shouldn't be that warm, but I saw squirrels running around, and I was so excited to see squirrels, but I'm imagining these poor squirrels, they came out, and now they're like, wait, what's going on? And I think it's confusing for us as humans, but I can only imagine how confusing it might be for other animals that don't have any wherewithal about carbon dioxide going into the atmosphere from, maybe they sense it better than we do, who knows. Maybe they can detect variances in carbon dioxide in the air and methane and things like this. But I don't know, I think there are so many things that are happening right now that are just so outside of our knowledge. I mean, think about climate change, think about microplastics, nanoplastics, think about AI, not just ChatGPT, which is about language, or LLMs for language, but how they work with video, and how they work with images, and how they work with music and sounds, and how robots are starting to incorporate some of those things to move. Like, I saw a humanoid robot that will pick things up and move it from other places. I mean, you say move the blueberries from the table to the counter, and it looks around, it finds the blueberries on the table and moves them to the counter. What? So I just think we're swimming in so much uncertainty and potentially mass change that I guess I don't know how to feel. I wonder how other people are feeling about these things. Like, when I think about the nanoplastics, I get kind of paralyzed, to be honest. Just can't imagine what ramifications are going to come from that, and feel so helpless in a way of how to deal with it. But then when I think about climate change and what happens if the permafrost melts, I don't know. I really don't know. With AI and disinformation, and what happens when how is democracy going to react to it? How is democracy reacting to it? How is free will? How some of these, these are some, I guess, pretty heavy existential questions for being so late at night. But, just thinking about how something as simple as, oh, it's a nice day today, maybe a sign of some deeper changes that are happening that are so far outside of our control, at least individually, that not just control, but understanding that what's there to do? I don't know. At this point, I'm going to go sleep because it's cold. It's very cold. And I'm kind of grateful for it, but I'm kind of annoyed by it, but grateful for it. At least it's familiar cold, So, all right. Talk with y'all tomorrow.